Hey, what's up everyone? I'm gonna be doing a little photo walk. I'm gonna be testing out this mount right here that I can put it around my neck and we'll see what that looks like. I am testing out a new camera that I just got last week. I haven't been able to shoot it or use it, so this is gonna be something completely new for me. Let me show you what that camera is when I switch the camera angle. So this is the camera in question. I just got the Leica Q343. This camera is really awesome. I am really excited to use it. I've only taken like 3 photos with it. So this is completely new to me. And like I said, I'm excited to get some photos. Let's try this. So just walking around the city. I've walked around quite a few times down here, but it's still fairly new to me. I've only been living in the city for about 4 months now, so I don't know a lot and there's a lot to explore and that's exciting. So there is a lot of cool tall buildings here, so I want to try to get some shots right here. This might end up being a shorter video. I only have like an hour to walk around. See how this goes. Also, let me know what you guys think about the audio. I'm using the DJI Mini with a dead cat on it. So I'm curious to know what you guys think about this audio. I am curious to see how this camera is for me. I had the M11P and that camera was just really great. I just felt like I was missing a lot of shots. Yeah, I had that camera for about 8 months. Like I said, I really liked it. I just felt like it wasn't necessarily for me. So I'm hoping that, you know, having the Q system will help alleviate some of that autofocus anxiety, I guess, that I had. You wait for these cars to go by. Would have been cool if that lady was walking before or after those cars. It'd be nice to have some scale there. But when doing photography like this, you just have to be in the right place at the right time. It was sunny earlier. I was hoping to get some sunlight. I really like harsh light. So like midday is like very fun for me. I know a lot of people like that golden hour and that is great as well, but I just like hard shadows. I think that's very pleasing to me. So it being all gray and cloudy right now, not really my vibe, but we'll see what we can capture. Here we go. So this is a really cool bridge. This is a rolling bridge. This bridge was a precursor to the Brooklyn Bridge in New York City. The same engineer, architect, or whatever built this bridge before they built that one. So I wanted to see if I can go capture some more images of it. So the leaves are turning orange now, as you can see, which is really nice. Let's see if I can capture some of these here. All right. There's no cars coming, which is cool. Don't want to get run over. Gotta look both ways. I'm sure this video is probably jumping around a lot right now. This is the first time I've done, I guess second time I've done anything like this. I wanted to be able to talk while I was walking and not do voiceover over the whole thing. So we'll see how this turns out. I am enjoying this camera so far. It's nice to just have like a point and shoot without having to really worry about the focusing a ton. I was getting fairly decent with the M11P, but like I said, I just wanted something that was a little more point and shoot-ish. Thought the 43 was probably gonna be my favorite focal length. I think the 28 was great on the M11. I'm sure it would be great on this M3 as well, on the Q3 as well. But I really gravitate toward 50. So having a 43 being a little bit wider for me would be fantastic. This view is getting really cool right here. So I'm gonna take a shot right here. Got the flags up top. I always like to take a vertical and horizontal. Since I got the M11, I have been taking photos when I'm out and about in horizontal almost every time, which has been really cool that it kind of changed my perspective in that way. So this is, I'm doing the same thing with this, but I also know that I need to have stuff for social media. So I'm trying to make sure I capture vertical as well for social media. If somebody was walking right there, that would be really great. There is somebody coming, so I can wait. Sometimes you gotta be a fisherman and wait for people to walk into your scene. So let's see what that looks like. I'm gonna see if I can capture the whole bridge. Nope, I'd have to step back. This is pretty good. Let's see. I could step back and get that shot. I got my people coming now. So let's see what that looks like right when they come into the clear area. There we go. Maybe I'll go up on the bridge. Never walked on this bridge before, so that will be kind of cool. I'm shooting at a 90 crop right now. It might get a little loud on this bridge, so I might have to do a voiceover if I talk up here. We have the red stadium over here.
I'm feeling jaded in the worst way, pretending that I got my life on straight here. You hear me cursing at the highway, I hear you chiming in your own way. Yeah, own way. Playtime has to meet real life, here behind brake lights. Maybe we hang tight.
This is the red stadium. I'm gonna turn that down a little bit. That came out perfect. That's exactly what I was looking for. It's hard to time it when their legs are totally splayed. You usually have to do a burst, but I like to use single and just kind of hope for the best, I think. I think that's probably the only banger that I'll probably get today. At least in my eyes, I really like that shot. So let me know what you guys think.
Healing, yes, I know. we can live a better life. We talk about it every night. You could buy a yellow bag, spit on it all the time. You can wear the dress you like. You don't have to compromise. We could have it all.
There we go. This does have a macro feature on it. So let's see what that looks like. Shooting at f4. That is super sharp. That looks really cool. Put that up on the screen. Oh, I love the light coming onto this building. Shooting from this side of the street. Take a couple steps back. And this. Oh, I need to brighten that up just a bit.
The world has gone crazy. Who knows what to do? Tied from nostalgia of what used to be. Need a new vision, a life we can see. So many people like it. I don't know if I believe the things that I used to, but I know now, I know now, I know now, I know now, I know that I do.
I do find this camera to be really good. I'm very happy with it so far. This is my first time using it, but I am enjoying it. And I feel like it's a great camera. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'm going to get back over the river. Need to stop taking photos so I can get back over to the other side of the river and get home. Let me know what you guys think. I'll catch you guys in the next one. If you like this video,
tell me we're dreaming, the news can't be true. Profit or panic, we all fear the truth. All of us question the motives. I don't know if I believe the things that I used to, but I know now, I know now, I know now, I know now, I know that I do love you.